Today we will show you how to download Minecraft for laptop or PC. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google Chrome and go to search and put download Minecraft for PC or for laptop, what you want. Okay guys, okay, now go to download Minecraft server software. Okay, click, and now here you can buy this and buy this and buy this. Okay, you can here like other version like Windows 10 or 11, and you can download what you have, like Windows Legacy or Mac or iOS, like an iPhone, like phone iPhone, on this, and phone Android like Huawei and Samsung and other like Oppo. Okay, this is, you can download Java edition server. You can download this. Okay guys, but need now to download this is Minecraft Java Bedrock. Just click here. Wait 1 sec. Okay, click here the first, and now if you want to gift it to other people, all you can check out. Okay, just click to check out, and now you need to sign in on Microsoft and sign in here and buy it. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.